Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be answering another frequently asked question on calculator used for ACT maths. Okay, so in this video the question I have here to answer goes like this: what is the biggest mistake students make when using calculator tricks? Okay, this is a very good question. To answer this question, I would say spending too much time entering information into the calculator when the problem could have been solved mentally or with a simple shortcut. Okay, yes, because there are some problems you will see in SCT maths that you don't even need the calculator to solve. Just using your basic maths understanding, you will figure out the answer faster than using calculator to punch. Okay, so this my honest response to this question. Okay, so I hope um this response is okay for you. Okay, so that was all I can say for this question. If you want to learn how to use TT4 plus to solve ACT math problems, this particular video here I'm pointing out is a 12 video. Take your time to go through it and you'll be fine. Okay, so that will be all for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.